Hello, let's talk about love. Let's talk about Valentine's Day. Whether you're celebrating Galentine's Day or Valentine's Day, it's all about love. So I am going to do two different eye looks. On this side I'm going to do something quite dramatic, and on this side I'm going to do something soft and fun. And I'm going to use my Artitude Ink and Roses palette, which I really love. For the more romantic look, I'm going to use Love, Petal and Parchment. And then for the more dramatic look, I'm going to use, I don't know what I'm going to use yet. So whether you're going to do Galentine's or Valentine's, the one thing that you are going to need is a decent primer. And I am going to use a little grain of this Tatcha Velvet Primer, which I've been testing. It's supposed to get rid of pores and fine lines. I don't know if it does, but it makes me feel better, and I think it makes my foundation go on a little bit smoother. The jury's out on this one at the moment, but still trying it, and I quite like it. No surprise to anyone, foundation, my Very Valentino. Just use the one pump, and that's all I need. How many of you use dating apps? I've used a couple with varying degrees of success, and I have come up against a few challenges, and I do know that men seem to think that women don't represent themselves as they actually look. So they apparently, I hear from people that I've met, women tend to post photographs of themselves from 20 years ago and are hoping that the guy that they meet doesn't notice. Well, I can say the same for men. I've had a few dates where the man that I thought I was seeing did not walk through the door of the restaurant, cafe, whatever, and I think that's a bit unfair, really. I mean, I'm not fat shaming anyone, but one guy was so large he could hardly walk down the street. Is that a terrible thing to say? That was probably my worst experience. When I was in LA, I did use a dating app, and I met a very nice man who I'm still friends with. We dated, then I came back to England, and we're still friends. So it is possible to meet really cool people, but how much patience do you have to have? It's funny how Valentine's can actually mean a little or a lot to people. Some people don't care, some people do. But I think in the end, it's really about loving yourself, really, rather than feeling down because you don't have a partner to share it with. I don't care. I think I used to when I was younger. But dating in 2026, I think it's quite difficult. Don't mean to be a doomsayer, but I do think it's quite difficult. It's partly because since 2020, we have sort of stopped going out and meeting humans in the flesh and just relying on an online community. And I think that has actually led to an awful lot of people feeling quite lonely and left out, really. We might be 6 years on, but I think the behaviours that we all developed have stayed with us, sadly. Right, my more romantic side is coming out. Now, I'm not a great one for pink eyes, but I'm going to give it a go. This is my most romantic palette. It's very pigmented, but also really blendable. I love this palette.
Let's get started.
Then we're going to go for this purple on the outer third. So Petal is going on the outer third, which blends really nicely. Then I'm going to take Parchment, which is this rather neutral colour, and just very softly blend the edges. So on the inner corner, I'm going to put this colour here, Blossom, and see what happens. It's quite nice, isn't it? I'm going to do a little bit on the lower lash line. Take some of this sepia And just pop that on the inner corner to lighten and brighten. I really like that. Okay, so that's a really easy and blendable formula, and I think that looks really pretty and would be really good to go and see friends on Galentine's or even a soft romantic dinner. Okay, now for the drama. And for some people, Valentine's Day is full of drama. This side is going to be romantic, but a little bit dangerous. I'm going to use a little bit of Wilted, a little bit of Bloom, and a little bit of Calligraphy to darken up the outer V. I really want to show you how you can get lots of different looks from the same palette. So this side is amping up the drama. Okay, Bloom, let's see what you can do. And again, just to soften the edges. Isn't that just a gorgeous colour? I love this palette. I'm going to put a little bit of Secret on the middle of my eyelid. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Back in with the deep green just to make sure it's all blended. Drama, drama, drama. I'm actually going to put this underneath as well, just 3/4 of the way. And I'm going to use Inkwell. I'm going to match the bottom lash line with the same colours. I think I need to go back into the pale green and marry it all together. You may be wondering why I've left my eyebrows till last. Well, it's because I just wanted to see what my eye makeup was going to look like. And it's easier to decide on your eyebrow shape depending on how dramatic your eyeshadow is. That's that side. Drop me a note in the comments and let me know what's your best and worst Valentine's Day. I think my worst was, I know this is going to sound ungrateful, but going to the romantic city of Venice with someone I didn't really like. And my best was probably having fish and chips at the kitchen table with the man who's going to be my future husband, until he wasn't. Enough said. I'll quickly go and put some mascara on, and then we can put some colour back into our face, and I may use more on this side and something a little bit more gentle on this side. Right, mascara on, and a tiny bit of Lisa Eldridge's Night Forest on my lower lash line on this side, because I'm not going to do anything else. And then on this side I'm going to ramp it up a lot. I've got this Sephora Rock and Brown 12-hour pencil. That's a bronzy colour that really complements the shimmer. And then on this side again, and give myself a little baby wing. Something to accentuate the outer corner. Okay, the rest of my face needs to catch up with my eyes, whichever side we're loving. This is my Toasted Teddy from Rhode. On this side, I'm just going to do a soft wash of colour. Whereas on this side, we're going a little bit deeper. My Huda Beauty Ube, tippy tops of my cheeks, on my cheekbones. I'm going to top it off with a little bit of my Gucci blush in Lilac. That's really romantic and pretty, I think. So this side is a different story altogether. I'm going in with my Westman Atelier petal, and we're going to amp this up a little bit on this side, just to balance out the more dramatic eye. On this side we're going to do a little bit of Rare Beauty highlighter. I probably should wear lashes on this side, but I'm not a great one for lashes. But what I will do is I'll get out my new favourite crush, which is basically this Lash Clash in blue. It just gives you a little bit of a deeper lash line. See, it doesn't say I'm wearing blue mascara, it actually says my lash line's quite deep. So that's that one. Okay, so far so good. Romantic side here, drama over here. Now lips, it's Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna go red because you know I like my red. Right, I've gone all pouty, and the other day I was cleaning out. Does anybody remember these? The Patrick Tar lip crayons. I mean, I'm sure I've had this for 2 years, and actually it still does its thing. It's called She's Not From Here. It's a sort of lovely orangey red, which I think goes quite well with my drama look and also is quite cute. Not perfect, but it's quite cute with my romantic look. And this is my Seema Hayes Sunset Lip Balm, which I'm going to see if this is going to work. I think this might be the only Seema Hayes product that I own, and I really like it. And there we go. So let me know what you do on Valentine's Day. Let me know what your plans are. Let me know which side you like the best. Soft and romantic, or a little bit more dramatic for a date night, or maybe just going for a cocktail with your girlfriends. All from Ink and Roses. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and put the notifications on. I upload at least twice a week, and hopefully I will see you soon. Happy Valentine's Day.